Hi, my name is Max and I'm the creator of Telemetry Rush. Telemetry Rush is a Unity-based racing simulation platform that brings motorsport telemetry data to life. It's more than just a game. It's a tool for fans, developers and analysts to explore racing data interactively. This project combines data visualization, real-time interactivity and cross-platform tools into a single application to stream and analyze telemetry, endurance and leaderboard data. In motorsport, telemetry and race data are often locked away in spreadsheets or proprietary systems that makes it hard for fans or even engineers outside the pit wall to explore the dynamics of racing. The problem I wanted to solve is, how can racing data be made accessible, visual, and interactive for everyone? The solution for this is Telemetry Rush. It streams telemetry data like speed, RPM, throttle, braking, and steering. It visualizes forces from the sensors as little bars above the car and infers racing behavior. It simulates weather conditions, rain, fog, wind, and sun, based on real telemetry. It shows racing time to better understand what happened when. It tracks endurance racing stats like lap times, sector splits, and flags, and it displays a leaderboard with positions, gaps, and best laps. All of this is interactive. Users can play, pause, reverse, restart, or change playback speed. They can switch between vehicles and cameras to get the perfect overview and understanding of the racing track. You can even spawn your own racing car and try to compete with professional racers. So let's try to catch up to car number 3, the light blue car. On screen you see cars moving along the track, the wheels steering and rotating based on the telemetry data. Don't be confused, there are ghost cars on the track which show the ideal racing line for each car. DUI updates in real time, speed, RPM, gear, throttle, braking and lap distance of the currently selected car. Even weather effects kick in, like rain, particles, fog density and skybox tint, which change dynamically. In summary, Telemetry Rush transforms raw racing data into an interactive experience. I hope you enjoyed this demo and I'm excited to share Telemetry Rush with the community. Thank you.